Hi all. This is a ninth tutorial from NJan in JavaScript category, JavaScript references. We already discussed about JavaScript don't have any source files. Meaning, for example, other jQuery and all having some source file, we need to refer that source file. Whenever we are using those methods or predefined plugins, it will refer those source files. But JavaScript won't be like that because all the browser itself having the JavaScript engine. So whenever we are specifying this is a JavaScript code, it automatically will interpreted by the JavaScript engine. So meaning it don't have any source reference. But still, for using that JavaScript, how can we do that? We are going to discuss about that. How can we specify the JavaScript and its samples? So JavaScript no need of any source reference as we discussed. We can use in three types. Meaning in our web page or HTML page, we are going to use the JavaScript. We can do the three types. One is inline, internal, another one is external. That is like inline, the sense HTML tag itself, there will be events like click event. The HTML itself having the attributes called event, on click, on mouse move, on key up. In that inline, we can call JavaScript method. That is called inline. Next, internal. The internal is like when we are specifying the script tag, we having the set of HTML tags in view, right? In that HTML tag itself, we will specify one tag called script, and we will specify the type of that tag is text/JavaScript. So we will have a JavaScript code over there. So whenever the HTML view are getting render, the render engine will find out this tag. It will skip the execution process to the JavaScript engine because it know it is a JavaScript. So that is called internal. What about the external? The external is like you are creating one new file. In that new file, you can have all the JavaScript code and you can save it as a .js extension. Then you can refer that file into your web page. So this is called external. So we know about the inline, internal and external. Here you can see this is a tag I told for inline. So in between this we will have that like a JavaScript code. So this tag will be available within our HTML tags itself. This is a tag using for the referring the external file. So we will have one text file with the JavaScript code and we will save it as a .js extension. The JS meaning the JavaScript. So that JS file will be get refer here. Like we will give the absolute path or relative path test.js. So those methods or codes what we have written in this file will be get rendered with this HTML page. This is called external. I hope you are clear with our JavaScript reference. Thank you. Let's